Sometimes you'll have a faulty appliance, something that you plug in that makes the electrics trip, but it's difficult to work out which one it is. What you do is you work out which room of the house is causing the electrics to go, and then in that room you turn off all the appliances and then try them one by one, and you should be able to work out which appliance is making the electrics go off. So for example, if it was in the kitchen, we would turn on this phone charger, and then if the electrics went off again, we would know that the phone charger is the culprit.